Shut up and sit down.
Yo people, and welcome back to the hardware review, and this time we're taking a look at the RELX Essential. It is a pod system. It's got a 350 mAh battery in there, and the pods are actually pre-filled. Well, we know how this normally runs. What we do is we put a little bit of a video together so you know all about the pod system itself, and then we'll come back up and we'll do the pros and cons. Go check this out, people. So, the RELX Essential Pod Kit. Now, if everything looks a little bit different, it is a little bit different, because yesterday I did the full review and then didn't press record. Go little bro. So yes, I'm in a different t-shirt and I've also had a shave. So it is a little bit different to the front bit. Doesn't matter. Let's get on with the review, because it's absolutely boiling here in the UK, and I really didn't want to do it again yesterday. I was sweating like anything, and it's absolutely boiling. Right, let's get this review on the road. Now, when these sent it out to me, which was Deep Vaping, big shout out to them for sending this out for review. When they sent the packaging out, I opened up the box, took the battery part of it out, and I'm searching in the box for the pods. Doesn't come with any pods. Now, this costs $9.99. So when you do buy this, this is just the battery. You don't get any pods with it. You have to buy your pods, and they're roughly around, I think they're between £6 and £7 for two. So remember, if you're buying the battery, you aren't going to get any pods with it. So, it's a pod system. Let's talk about it. It's an aluminium body. You've got a 350 mAh battery in there. I'm loving the fact that we've got a Type-C charge, and it roughly takes about 30 minutes to charge. Now, the pods itself are pre-filled pods, so you can't fill them back up. Once they're done, they are done. They are 1.9 mil. I can't tell you about the coils because it doesn't tell me anything about the coils, so I can't tell you what ohm they are. They're roughly lasting me probably about a day. I'm probably using maybe 2, you know, when you're getting later on at the night. But again, it's down to how you vape. If you constantly chain vaping, you won't get as much out of it. Now, the device itself, like I said, is a 350 mAh battery. I would have liked to personally have seen it with a bigger battery. It is very, very slim, as you can see. It's very slim. It's very, very light. They could have made it a little bit bigger. Maybe a 500 or a 700 mAh battery in there. It would have been a little bit better. What about the flavour? What about the clouds? In this one, I have got the Menthol Plus, I think it is. Where have I got it? They sent me loads of flavours out. I must have got 7 of their flavours. Yeah, the Menthol Plus. We'll go through about the flavours in a second. So what about the clouds? What about the flavour? Really good clouds and really good flavour off this. There's quite a number of flavours that they've sent me out I really do like. Sometimes with these pod systems, especially with the pre-filled ones, what you're getting is normally horrible juice. Really, really surprised at this. Really nice flavour. You're getting a very restricted direct to lung, and you're getting like a semi-restricted mouth to lung on there as well. Yeah, really loving the flavours on this. Now, they sort of don't tell you what they are. They've just got funky names. Well, a couple of them tell you what they are. This one is a tangy purple. That one was a grape and ice. I really did like that one. That was nice. You got a raspberry ruby. Again, that were raspberry and ice. I did like that one as well. We know which one this one is. This is a classic tobacco. I didn't mind that either. Then we got, which one's this one? Now this one I didn't like at all. This is called Ludo Ice. Again, these are 18 milligram. Obviously, you can get the different milligram strengths on there. That tasted like peas. It did. It tasted like our vaping peas. I don't like that one. I think I only took about 5 or 6 vapes on it and then I threw it in the bin. It's not my type. But you may like it. Obviously, taste is subjective. Then I got this one, which is called Dark Sparkle. And I thought it was going to be a chocolate. But when I actually tasted it, it wasn't. It was a cola. And I really do like my cola vapes. And this was probably one of the nicer cola vapes that I've actually tasted. So yeah, Dark Sparkle. I don't know how you'd know that was actually cola. Told you about the Menthol Plus. We all know I love my menthol. And this was really, really nice. I'm on my last pod of that. And then we had the Fresh Red. I think this one was a strawberry ice. And that was really nice as well. So just remember, if you do buy the battery, that's all you're getting. You're not getting the pod. So, again, a con for me is if you're going to sell it as a pod system, you need to be including at least a couple more pods. Even if you put the price up by a couple of quid, you've got to be including a couple of pods. 2 or 3 in there. Like I said, the price of that is $9.99. And the pods, I think they're roughly somewhere between £6 and £7. And you can get that from Deep Vaping. All in all, I really do like it. Like I said to you, I would have liked to have seen a bit bigger battery in there. They could have made it slightly a bit bigger, made a 500, maybe a 700 mAh in it. Really glad that they've put a Type-C charging in there. What you're going to be using it for? This is something that you're going to stick in the car. Something like your vape break. You know, you're just finishing at work. You've got it in your pocket. You're going to use it a few hours. You nip it at club or to pub and you're having a game of snooker and you don't want to be taking out a great big massive modern tank and blowing clouds all over. This is absolutely perfect for it. So yeah, it is one of the better pods that I've actually reviewed. So yeah, big shout out to RELX and also a big shout out to Deep Vaping. If you've liked the video, people, if you like the video, you know how it goes. Make sure you like, subscribe and share. The subscribe button's in the corner. Give it a little press and get inside a new magic number. I'm on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. Go and hit me up, people. Also, if you want to be a part of the Little Bro Madness, you see all these lovely people coming down there. They are part of the Beer Fund. Go and press that join button. You get extra videos, your name up in lights and all good bits and bobs. I don't know where bits and bobs come from. That's just me, isn't it? One last thing to say, people. Keep them juices flowing. Don't forget to check out my latest video. Also, don't forget to check out 3 Men and a Vape Show live at 8 PM every Wednesday. And also, if you've enjoyed the video, make sure you subscribe, ring that notification bell, and we'll catch you later.